Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are playing Deer Hunting with this awesome shotgun.
Yep, you got that right. So, sorry, Bryn's not going to be playing because she's at a birthday party with her friend. Don't need to worry about that. But, yeah, today we're going to play Deer Hunt with my brother, Brayson, and me, Briley. I don't know if you know. I haven't been on a lot of videos, but sorry.
Yeah.
Today, it's going to change. So I'm going to start off as the hunter, and it basically is, if I find Brayson under the 3-minute mark, then he loses the round. And if I find him over the 3, and if I don't find him, and if I do, then he wins. So that means I'm going to start off with this, and Brayson, he is going to hide. So let's get started. Good luck, Bray. Go start in the bathroom.
Okay. I will.
I'll start in the bathroom.
What?
Hey.
Okay, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Okay, guys. How about you play Roblox more often? I'm sorry, guys. I hated something with you.
Unfortunately, he lost. So
Why did you take my name first?
the thing is, we only have 4 more rounds, and then we're going to see who the winner is. So, unfortunately, Brayson is in last place right now. And he is going to be starting with the gun. So, it's my turn to hide, and he has to count in the bathroom for 60 seconds.
60 minutes, baby.
60
I'm
seconds.
counting to 60 minutes.
Okay, Brayson, get in the bathroom.
1,
No, you have to shut the door.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Brayson, start over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, I really don't know where to hide. You just dropped the gun. I think the only place I have to go is behind it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Words. Listen. No. I'm running out of time. And this won't work. Let's just sit here. This is an obvious spot. Okay. So we're in my American Girl doll closet. He's coming. Say hi, this is my doll, Denny. Say hi, Denny. That's my doll, Denny. Anyway, we gotta be very quiet. Peace out. He'll probably never check here. He's never gonna find me. We can talk really loud because he'll never find me. Oh. But anyway, you guys still gotta be quiet because he might be right out the door. So, yeah. But, really, it's been a nice, quiet day. And we did this video just for you guys. So, please subscribe to our channel. And ah! You found us!
I tried another room, but in this room is a room. Wait!
Hey, whoa. Okay, so that is the end of our thing today. So, Brayson, what do you say?
Bye.
Peace out, and pretty much have a great rest of your weekend. And I want to share something. Please subscribe to our channel and to Maddie Dawson and Dylan's channel. They really need some subscribers. So do we. So please subscribe to our channel, and we will be very happy. So you know what to do.
And I think my gun's
Subscribe
broken.
and be great. Bye.